And yeah, first one it's good actually.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I don't know
if
how to
if your
filter out
interview is
that.
scheduled tomorrow, these might be the questions that you might get asked. And recently, yeah, yesterday I remembered one question, one coding question in the fixed scripts itself. We want to discuss it later, but no, yeah, do this. We have 6 minutes. Abe. And Ashish, Ishwar, Prajakta, Niketan, we are not able to hear that you're not responding. Even though you're responding, you're saying you're not doing. You should do. It's very important actually.
Yes, yes, Kalki. Yeah, actually, I am absent for couple of days due to my health issues. So I'll try doing the recording and I'll do.
Okay. I think tomorrow is festival, tomorrow day after one, the day after tomorrow, right? So what is your
Yes, that's
thought?
why
Shall we
I'm
give
out of town.
holidays? Shall we give holidays or we gonna take less
Yes,
for tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow
Yes, yeah,
is
tomorrow is
like
Pongal, right?
Pongal and Makar Sankranti both. So yeah, holiday would be good. I mean, you will also
Okay.
be attending some
Actually,
rituals
yeah,
at your
mine
home, right?
anyways I'll do the office work, so it's not at all holiday for me. That's different. But okay, yeah, take
You
holidays for the
decide.
3 days. Take holiday for the 3 days and so 4, 15, 16. Okay. But is it possible to join on 17 by any chance? On
Yeah, no
17
problem.
because we
No
are taking
problem.
3 days holidays, right? So let's count on 17. Okay?
Yeah,
Yeah, it is
yep,
good. Yes.
yeah, no
Okay.
problem.
Yeah,
I can continue with your requirement.
sure.
Yes, I'm waiting. Anyone done that by any chance?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I found
yes.
something. That GS dot beginning of this month is available there. That the one?
What did I say? This month, right?
Yeah, beginning of this month. But particular this month is not available out there.
I
But
think it will
beginning
be
of this
available.
month.
I have seen yesterday. I
Okay.
shown you, right? I think it should be available this month. Created on this month. No.
I have tried searching, but beginning of this month is available in that total list. When I type this month, only beginning of this month is available. Not
Can you please share your screen?
yeah. One sec. Yeah.
Add. No. Okay. You can use add encoded query, right? Where you're using add query.
Yeah.
Open that incident list. Open the incident list because, like, even for this type of cases, I won't use this add query because it's somewhat different, right? So most of the people will use 99.99% will mostly use this encoded query for this particular requirement because there's something like
Yeah.
GS dot get something, right? So that's the purpose. Yeah,
Yeah. I had no clue. Literally, I'm telling I had no clue. I have Googled it
fine.
and it told me that I had to use add query and then I have to find this beginning of this month. I found that. I had no clue why, where to, how to do this. I had literally no clue. It is not
Okay.
nothing. I would not take the credit.
Okay, it's okay, it's okay. If you
Yeah.
can learn, it's fine. So yeah, anyone done that then correctly as expected?
Yes, yes, by using encoded query.
Yeah, please share your screen then.
Yeah. Is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, here it is.
How did you get that encoded query?
From the list view, copy the query.
Can you please show me?
Yeah. Not number. Actually, here finding
Why you're
the
giving number? I don't understand.
option.
No, why you're giving number there? Can anyone say what filter, like
It's
what she should give there?
I think created
not.
or
It
date,
is.
It should be.
created or date or something.
It should be created. Yeah. We are
created
switching with the
update.
number actually. I want the inside numbers which are
Yeah,
created this
created.
month.
Yeah,
So if you're
created.
trying to do the same
Yeah.
thing through the filter,
Yes.
how you will do?
Not created
Do the
by.
same way, yeah,
Yeah,
on
Created
this
on
month.
this month.
Yeah,
this month. That's it.
you told it
Yes.
yesterday. Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I said. I told yesterday also.
this was
So
yesterday.
in interview, don't worry, okay? You can add like this. In interview, if there is some multiple queries, if they say that this, that, if they say that new state, hardware category, active incidents, if they say all this, either you can use dot add query, dot add query, dot add query. Otherwise, you can just copy and dot query and paste it there. It's up to you, okay? In interview, what happens is like sometimes they might not consider the recommendable ways and all those while coding. Sometimes. But it would be better if they get satisfied, more satisfied. Okay, so they will know that okay, this person knows the recommendable ways also. Okay, for simple filters, you can just add use this add active query or add query. But some complex queries you can just use include query. So yeah, so this is the filter. Just copy include query, like just copy the query and just paste it there. So that is how she actually done it. Go to fix script once again. Can you please explain the code to everyone?
Yeah, here I created the variable name as incident, and then this is the method that we are using glide record, and the
That is API. Glide record is an
yeah,
API.
yes, API, and this is the filter query, that is we add encoded query, and that's just copy from this from the list view, and then incident dot query is for the run, just clicking the run button, and while
Yes.
incident dot next is for the next for
To
each
iterate.
records. Yeah,
Yeah.
and gs
So you
dot
can
print
say
is for
that we will use
printing.
that for to iterate the records.
Yes.
And what does that fifth line will actually give? In which format does the value will it give? Inc dot number. Either it is in object format or string format. Anyone?
Number is an object format.
Okay. Object format only, right? It will give in the format in the form of object. Yesterday I shown you, right?
Yeah.
Just
Yes.
remember that.
And Kalki, I have
Like
a
if
doubt
there is
actually. This
okay, wait. So if there is some introvert like who is somewhat like who wanted to go some depth, in depth. So he might ask this question. Many people doesn't know it. Many people doesn't know that what is the difference between dot field name and dot get value of field name. It will return the same value, only, but what is the difference? Many people doesn't know it. So that is the difference. Okay.
yes.
Yeah, Prasad, you can ask the question.
Yes. So this second line where JavaScript mm, gs dot end of this month. So is it
Hmm?
necessary? Is it necessary that we need that line?
It should be there. You shouldn't
Okay.
change the encoded query. Okay. You add like
Yeah.
how you will like if you want that records, how you will add the query in the list. You add the same and copy and paste it.
Yeah.
Okay.
From the beginning
Okay,
of the
got.
month to the end of the month. That is actually the logic.
Yes. But we
If
can't
we don't put
clearly
if we
understand
don't
that
put
particular
yeah
encoded query. Even
Mm-hmm.
many people can't even understand it. Many people can't even explain the like letter to letter. Okay, so
Right.
they won't ask you. They won't ask you to explain. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
if we don't put this end of this month actually for like hypothetical scenario, if you don't put this end of this month, I have read it somewhere, and then it will just keep on loading the records. It will not stop until the end of the whole incident like list.
Entire list,
It will go.
complete list, I guess.
Yeah, entire list. Yeah. So we are
Mm.
giving a limit out here that to beginning to end of this month.
End of this month.
So
Yeah.
maybe we can also if we logically write this code, we can also write like beginning of the month to the current date. That can also be
Yeah, we you can if
Mm-hmm.
required. Yeah,
yeah,
Okay.
but no, I want it only for this one. Yeah, it's fine.
yeah.
So can you mind share me the third code and explain?
Third code.
Yeah. Yeah, you
Yeah.
can stop your screen sharing, Mayur. I want some other person. Mm,
Okay.
Any other person? Prajakta? Projector. Who ever done the third question, third code,
Yes, Kalki,
apart from Jagadish and Mayuri?
I've done it just
Yeah,
now.
I have done.
Okay, Prasad, you have done. Yeah, okay,
Yes,
share the screen, Prasad.
Yeah, I'm straight.
I asked Jagadish and Mayuri. Got yeah, no Prasad.
Is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So this is the code, like query.
Now only you wrote this.
Sorry.
Now only you wrote this. Okay, wait. So I said to only print incident numbers, right? But you are printing.
Oh, yes,
You are
that one.
printing caller also. And printing the count also. Count is not required, but yeah, it's fine.
Yes,
Is it from
actually,
Google?
yes, Googled it.
Why? Say, I won't say anything even if you did not write now, okay? I won't say
Yeah.
anything. But I want it to be done by yourself.
Yeah,
You're
like
not able to do. I'll just explain. It's not. Don't worry about that. Even if it takes half an hour, 1 hour, but you should be able to do. You can use, like, if you don't use AI, you can use Google.
yes.
See, if you're Googling it in the top of the page, you'll get this Gemini suggestion, right? I think you're using that.
Yes,
So
that one. Yes.
I don't want you to learn such easily because you're
Okay.
still in learning stage, right?
Yes, yes.
Any code that I give, you can use
Okay.
Google without AI.
Got it.
If you're not able to understand that code, leave it. I'll explain the next day. Don't worry
Okay.
about that. I'll explain in the next day. Any code, even if it's small code or big code, doesn't matter. I'll explain the next day. Don't bother about that. But I don't want any AI tools to be used. You can use
Okay.
Google. Your service community, you can use that. Mostly this
Sure.
question might be there in the service community. If not, you can try it. If not, I'll say it tomorrow. If you don't get it, that's it. Okay? But don't use it.
Okay.
AI tools, that's it. Okay. Fine. So this code is correct, but actually, yeah, as per, yeah, I only set this numbers, but this code will also give me the number and the caller also. Can you explain
Yes.
line to line what it actually does?
Yeah, the first one, like we have declared the variable inc, and this is the API method, which will call the value of incident, which is there. And then we are here adding the query, like running the query. If caller ID is VIP, the caller is addressed as VIP and it is true, then we are like pushing this query over here. Then here we are
What
running
is that
it.
caller.vip?
So caller VIP caller ID dot VIP is the dot walk-in method for caller ID, and inside that if it is VIP.
So VIP is a field in which table?
Sorry, Kalki, couldn't hear.
VIP is a field in which table?
So VIP, it is an incident table. No, sorry.
Incident
Okay.
table?
No. It is in like user table.
Fine. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So then we have given this while statement. If it is finding the next value, then it will run. Then here we have declared variable incident number, INC number, and the get value method, of course, for the number field and the caller name. Get display value so that it will go for the front end name.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me a minute. Once. చార్జర్ పోయింది తెగిపోయిందిరా నా దగ్గర ఉంది సన్న పిన్ కానీ అది స్లో ఎక్కుతుంది అది 60 వాట్స్ ఇది 150 వాట్స్ ఇది 150 వాట్స్ 60 నా దగ్గర ఉంది కదా ఆఫీస్ తెప్పించాలా కొంచెం వైర్ తెగిపోయింది ఒక్క వైర్ వల్ల ఒక్కలాగా కొంచెం ఎక్కుతుందిలే ఇప్పుడు ఫైన్ వదిలే సార్ కాకుండా సరిపోద్ది ఐ థాట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆన్ మ్యూట్ Okay. So
Yes,
sorry. Okay. Stop screen sharing. So anyone is having any doubt any of these three codes? If not, we will again move to the business. So this everything belongs to server-side scripting code only. In server-side scripting, we use this glide record API, glide create API, and glide system. You're using this dot print method, right? So this is a part of Glide System API. Okay, the dot print method is a part of Glide System API. So okay. Now let's go to business rules. The requirement now is that we're going to do. It's a very important requirement, even in the real case and for interview also. I know many people for whom this question was actually asked. Okay. So the question is, if an high priority incident, if an high priority incident is created, if an high priority incident is created, if a P1 incident is created, a problem record should be created automatically, and whatever the value that was there in short description, it should be mapped to the short description of the problem, and whatever the value that was there in description should be mapped to the description field of the problem, and this incident should be binded to the problem. For example, let me open problem record, for example. So what should happen is whenever I create an high priority incident, okay, after I create, like whenever I create, so this origin task, what is a problem? Problem is nothing but a group of incidents. So this origin task field should be auto-populated with that incident record. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
And whatever the short description is there for that incident should be populated in the problem statement.
Problem field.
And whatever is there in description, it should be populated with description. This is a very important interview question and in real time too. Now let's do that. So will I write a business rule for incident table or problem table? Firstly, you should know it.
Problem.
Will I write incident BR for incident table or problem table?
So we'll go for incident table first.
If it is incident, why incident? If it is problem, why problem?
So because once the incident is created,
Incident
then
is
we'll map to the
requested.
problem field.
Yes, exactly. That is the answer actually I'm expecting. That is how you should think. You can't write BR for problem table. Because when an incident is created, you want to create a problem. So the trigger condition is based on incident table. Okay.
Correct.
So give incident
Actually,
table.
just some part out there. Can you please, I mean, just summarize things from from the beginning or something? Actually, some
For
audio
business
issue, and I couldn't hear.
Okay. So okay, you're asking about the question.
Yes.
Okay. So whenever a P1 incident is created, I want a problem to be automatically created. And in the problem record, we have a field known as origin task. So this consider I created a high priority incident, P1 incident. So with number 260, consider I created this. So a problem record should be created. And this I have the high priority, like the P1 incident is this, right? 260. So it should be populated with 260. Got it?
Yes.
From which
Yes.
record the problem is creating, that record should be auto-populated in the origin task. Understood or not?
Okay.
Yes. In the same
Yes.
way, the short description should be populated in this problem statement, and this description should be populated in this description field. Auto-populated. Like whenever an instance is created with P1, it should automatically create a problem record in this and this field and this field. This field should be auto-populated. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes.
will I write business rule for which table, whether incident or problem?
The incident, I guess.
Any explanation? Why incident?
Because the problems parent table is also incident, because we have taken reference of the incident table when the problem is being created. I mean, we are not creating a problem, we are creating an incident. So incident is the parent one,
No.
and problem is the child.
Okay, actually thinking might be same, but the explanation is actually it's not correct. It's not like exactly relevant. Exactly correct. So what I said, whenever incident is created, I want a problem to be created. So what is the trigger condition here? What is the trigger here? What is the trigger?
First we will
Incident, right?
create the incident
The
table.
trigger is incident, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
It will be incident table only. I can give problem table, right?
No,
Understood now, Jagdish?
because first we are creating incident and then the problem
Yes.
is being triggered
Yeah.
from that.
When, yeah.
We are not
What
creating
do
a
we want?
problem to incident, an
Yes.
incident to problem.
We want to
Yeah.
create a problem when incident is created. So we want this business rule to run when an incident is created with priority critical. That's it. You can use before, fine. And I want new, not for existing records. I want for new records. So choose insert. Okay. And we should give the condition. What is the condition? Priority is critical. Right? Until now, everything is fine.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's go back to the code here.
Okay.
Okay. Now, where PRB is equal to new glide record. So in this, what table will I give? So glide record API is basically used to perform query operations or insert, update, or delete operations on any table. So I want to create a problem. So what will I give here within the inverted commas?
Incident, I guess.
Problem. Problem.
Why will you give insert? So incident will give problem, right? Because I want to create a problem record.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The next one. The next one will be, we should populate the values. We're discussing about the population of values, right? So
Yes.
which values you want to populate? You should give it like this: PRB dot origin task. The origin task backend name. Copy it. Okay. It should be populated with the incident. It should be populated with the incident. So what value will I assign? What will I write now here? See, this is a reference field. Don't forget. This is a reference field, and the incident record should be selected here. So what will I give here?
Origin task is the incident number.
Yeah, I want to assign that incident for this origin task field.
Okay.
So in order to assign, like what I will write here?
Is equal to incident. Incident.
Incident. Sorry, we can go for dot working method, right? Origin field and then the
When you want those origin field everything, you remember this current and previous. So when this business rule is triggered for a particular record, current will point out to that record.
yes.
Yes, right?
Yes.
So what I will write current dot sysID. Current dot sysID because this reference field actually stores the sysID.
She said yes.
That's why current dot sysID.
Yep.
Understood or not?
Yes. Yes.
Everyone. And the same way, PRB dot problem statement. I think it's short description. Okay, yeah, short description.
Short underscore.
So if you add dot, like what is current here? Current will point out to the record which is triggering this business rule. Understood? Current will every time point out to the record because of which this business rule is triggering. Okay,
Yes.
now what I'll write here?
Once that is running, so it will trigger the current one.
Yes. Now what I will use here? What I'll write here?
So same current we can go.
Current. On the same
We should
current.
go. Not can go, we should go.
Yeah.
Current go, short description.
Short
And
description.
we want we have another field also. What is that field backend name?
Description.
Description. So let me copy it. Let me paste it.
The same
And
current.
Description is equal to current dot
Description.
current dot description.
P next. Okay, you're populating all the values because of this. Now you should insert a record. That means you want to create a record, right? You want to create a record. But currently, because of these 3 lines, you're just assigning the values. Okay. So in order to create a record or insert a record, you have a method known as dot insert. Dot insert method. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, it's better to use after or async here. Okay, because instead of after you can use async, but let's use after for now. Okay, I'll say it later. See, we mostly use this before business rule in order to perform operations on the current record. If you want to populate any field, whether it's on the current record, or if you want to stop the submission of form, only for those specific purposes you use it before business rule. Okay,
Yes.
but if you have any complex see, you can use it, but we mostly use for these 2 purposes only. But if you consider this after async, it will be used like when you want to do some complex operations on another table. Got it?
Yes.
So let me use after for now. Okay. So now, yeah, insert method will actually insert the record. Let me save it.
Okay.
Now let's see whether, so business tool will run on server side. So there is no need to refresh the form.
Right.
Now let's just populate.
Data description.
Test 1, 2, 3. Test. Okay, let me do this. DSC test short. So it's a I prod instant. So it should anyway trigger now. Wait. Before that, let me remove this firstly. I'll say the reason later because of I should remove it.
It will do the reverse, I guess.
I think they're making mandatory from the client script. Oh, okay. I'll see the client script later on. Oh, just wait. Let me get all the client scripts. Give me 2 minutes. If not anything, the data policies might be. Yeah. Yeah, data policy. So like this, you should be able to find it in the future also. It's active. I'll find it out later. But anyway, now let me just populate that manually. Okay. Now let me see. So let's see if it created a problem record or not. I think this is the one which was created. Yes, that's the one. See? And this is 262. Yeah, 262. But we did not get this problem statement description. Okay. Then there may be something wrong with this. PRB description. Just yeah, it's working for before. Um, rejection.
Kalki, the incident is in P1, right?
Yeah, priority is still in moderate.
Okay.
Something might not be working perfectly for me. Fine. Yeah, I think we got it. No, this is not the one. Yeah, we got it. Don't know why it did not work previously, but yeah. And description, we not got description. What's the issue? PHP dot description equal to
You don't
current
know
dot
the description.
Oh, it's not. It's not like that actually. It should work. Description. Can anyone try this in your instance? Anyone?
Okay, Kalki, I'm checking.
Might be some data also. It's not data also. Okay. Anyways, yeah. Someone try it with after.
Okay, sure. Like, Kalki, could you please show the logic?
I shared in the chat.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. What about Prasad? What happened?
Yeah, Kalki, give me a minute, like just a second. Some
You can share the screen.
yes, I'm sharing. Yeah. So rightly, this is the number, okay, and impact should be high, right?
Yeah, in final assumption should be high.
Okay, state should be like anything is good.
Anything is fine. Make it new and
Okay.
just leave it. No problem. Give a short description.
Yeah. Done.
Save.
Okay. Yeah. See.
We're having some client script on submit client script which is throwing error.
Uh, okay. Nothing is there.
Wait, I'm giving type as empty. Search for
Oh.
incident table.
Okay.
See, you're giving type on submit equal to true. Not on submit equal to the client script itself. Type is on submit.
Correct.
Remove the type there once. Firstly.
This one, right? Yeah.
See, you have a third record, right? On submit.
This one.
Click on submit in the third record, third row. Right click on submit.
Okay, first, second, third. This one, right?
Third record.
Yeah.
Record.
Yes.
Third row. Yeah, you have type is on submit, right? Once right
Yes.
click on submit. No, don't click on that script.
Okay. Okay.
Right click on submit. See, you have the column known as type, right? Right
Yes.
click on submit.
Yeah.
Click on show matching. So it will show the records which are having type as on submit. Show matching.
Yes.
I think you have created this first one. Make it inactive.
Okay.
You can make it inactive from the year itself. Double click active. Yeah, make it fast. That's it. Or again refresh the incident form.
Okay. Yeah. Done.
Give the value short description, impact, urgency.
Yeah.
No, don't.
Yeah.
Impact
Sorry.
urgency. Impact and urgency. It should be both. I
And urgency. Yeah. Impact and
click on
urgency.
go back, open new form.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
it won't
Okay.
work now because you have created insert business rule, right? Have you
Yeah.
created? Okay. Yeah, create a record.
Okay. So new incident,
Create
right?
an incident record with high priority,
Okay.
critical
Okay.
priority P1.
I'm doing that. Okay. Mama sound.
Yeah. Go to the problem table and check whether it got created or not.
Oh shit. Okay. Just a second. Okay, I've saved it. Okay. Sure. Sorry. Problem.
Started with a number.
Number. Yeah. Number is not active. Totally.
Also, go to the business rule once.
Which one?
Business rule.
Business rule. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
Open the business side.
So this is the one. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Go to when to run.
Okay. Update and run. Huh?
Go to when to run. That's all. Not able to see. Go to when to
When
run,
to
right?
run.
Not able to see
When to
anything.
run.
Okay.
When to run was just beside that option.
When to run section.
Yeah. No.
Window.
Just go
Just-
up.
Just
Go
a
up.
second. Yeah.
That when to run.
So it's
So I did not
before.
make this insert checkbox true. I did not give that filter priority critical and
Oh.
make it run after. Make it run after.
Okay.
Give insert true and give priority is critical condition.
It is critical. Yeah. Okay. This is done. Okay. Insert.
That's it.
Update.
Save.
Yeah.
Update is not okay. Fine. Save.
Okay.
Now create an incident record. Critical incident.
So I'll create like a new one, right?
Yeah, I know them.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. High, urgency is high. Okay. Paste 1, 2, 3. Here is paste. That's it. Yeah. Problem. This is the one, I guess.
Sort it with number. That's not the one. Sort it with the number. Z2A. Open it. Yeah, that's the one, right? Open it once.
Yeah. Auto-populate.
Yeah, it's good. Actually, yeah, there might be something
Okay.
wrong with my instance because I will make many congruences, right? So yeah, you got the problem, right? So it's working. So origin task got populated, problem statement got populated, description got populated, right?
Yes. Right.
So if you see actually, go to incident form. In incident form, do we have any field known as problem? If you remember, if you remember, you have done also a requirement based upon the problem field in the related records.
In incident field, yes, actually we used to add it, right? Like in.
No, we have it. Click on the related record section.
Yes, we have.
So the today requirement is, I want whatever the problem that is created, that should be populated here.
Here.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, okay, you're creating a problem and
Yeah.
you're creating a problem and you have populated this incident on the problem form. It's definitely fine. But in the same way, you should auto-populate the problem on that incident form. So whatever the problem that was created, it should be populated on the incident form in this particular field.
So trigger should
Understood
be
or
there
not?
in the field. Yeah.
So the same code you use, but two lines will be added. Just two lines.
Okay. Okay.
That is a requirement until started. Just
Okay.
two lines. Any idea?
So.
Can you open the existing
Everything will
code?
be same, right? Okay.
So
The
open
code
existing code.
which we have typed now,
Yeah.
it will be the same, but and extra 2 lines should be added to that code.
Okay.
Can you open the code once again?
Yeah, just a second. Yes, this is the one. So, okay.
So here, I think the glide record should be on the incident table, not the problem table. The first change would be that.
No, it's not required
Am I right?
actually.
Okay.
See, what is this current object will actually refer to in this case? Huh?
This
What
current
does
CCL.
what is the current object to which record it will point out?
Current is incident one.
Okay, so you should populate that problem record on the problem field in incident form, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So how to populate it? Current
So
dot
current
problem
dot
equal
problem
to, yeah, the problem field backend name equal to, you should give the problem record, you should assign the problem, right, for the problem field. So
Yeah.
in order to access, so in order to see, go to the script once again.
Yeah. Yes.
So you're creating a problem with this code. So whatever the problem that is getting created, that problem record, that particular record sys ID can be accessed with prb.sysID. That's it. Understood? So you use current.problem ID equal to prb.sysID. And the next line will be?
Yeah. Current dot. Oh, this was correct, I guess, right?
No, it should be same thing. The file should be same as it is. Only 2
Yeah.
lines will be added. See, you are binding the incident on the problem. In the same way, I want the problem to be binded on incident form.
Right. So we should write it before insert, right?
No, you shouldn't use it before. You can use after resting. Anything is fine.
Okay.
Okay, try to do it. Just 2 lines actually. If you can think, you can do it. Okay?
Yes.
That will be the requirement until Saturday. Enjoy your holidays.
Yeah. Okay.
So if you want me to give more requirements also, I can